I like to go to this old abandoned home not far from where I live, out in the woods, in the middle of nowhere, and just sit and think about where my life is going, thinking about my mortality and how to make the most of the time I have left. And this home was built about the time my dad was born. So it's got me thinking about my dad and his poor health. And it has me excited about my new career in health and wellness coaching. When you neglect your stuff, whether it's your body or your property, it goes to shit. But I think it's about years of life, not just how it looks. It's about the people that go in and out these rooms, and the laughter of the children, and the impact that's being made on the next generation. It's about leaving an example, a legacy of self-control, of honor, and of impact. And that's what I want to do with my life, and that's what I so desperately want to do in your life and in others' lives. Strategy changes lives. Coaching changes lives. A rush doctor visit that hands you a prescription is sometimes simply not enough to make the most. It's the law of entropy. Things break down, and it takes more than just a prescription and a 5-minute visit to impact the health habits that prolong life. I build a metabolic command center around the human body. My metric isn't pounds lost, it's in years gained. God help us to be better stewards of the life and the bodies we have. Learn more about my health and wellness coaching program or my weight loss support protocol by clicking the link in the bio. Thank you for your time.